Ni taarifa za kuwatua nyoyo. Tutakubaliana ya kwamba Jamhuri ya Kenya imepata kumpoteza kijana ambaye ndipo alikuwa ameanza tu maisha yake katika uwanja wa mbio za masafa marefu, wengi wakimtarajia ya kwamba yeye ndiye atakuja kushikilia rekodi ambayo imeshikiliwa kwa muda mrefu na moja kati ya wakimbiaji maarufu zaidi duniani na wanariadha maarufu zaidi ulimwenguni kutokea katika Jamhuri ya Kenya, Eliud Kipchoge. Kelvin Kiptum mwaka uliopita aliwahakikishia wengi alikuwa na uwezo wa kupata kuvunja rekodi hii baada tu ya kuweza kukamilisha mbio za marathon kule nchini Chicago chini ya masaa 2 na sekunde 35, ila amepata kuiaga dunia usiku wa kuamkia leo, na taarifa hizi zimewahuzunisha wengi, zikiwaacha wengi wakiwa na maswali, wakipata kumwomboleza legendary huyu. Kwa sasa yale tunayosamia ni kuhusiana na biography na maisha yake Kelvin Kiptum. His name is Kelvin Kiptum Cheruyot. He was born on 2nd December in the year 1995. Kulingana na taarifa, Kiptum anaaminika kuzaliwa mwaka 1995. Ila taarifa kando na hizi zinatuarifu kwamba Kelvin Kiptum the legend. Hizi ni taarifa ambazo ni mkabala kabisa. Samahani kwa yale ambayo nimeyasema hapo kitambo kuhusiana na kuzaliwa kwake Kelvin Kiptum. Kelvin Kiptum Cheruyot was born on 2nd December 1999 and he died on 11th of February 2024. He was a Kenyan long-distance runner and the marathon world record holder at the time of his death. He was the only person in history to run the marathon under 2 hours and 1 minute in a record-eligible race. He ran 3 of the 7 fastest marathons in history. His full name, Kelvin Kiptum Cheruyot. Now, Kiptum won 3 marathons he participated in. All are renowned, including 2 top-tier world marathons, and held between December 2022 and October 2023. The times he achieved are 3 of the 6 fastest times in history, a course record under 2 hour and under 2 hour 2 hour 2 seconds in each case, making him the only man ever to break this barrier thrice. Kiptum ran the fastest ever marathon debut at the 2022 Valencia Marathon, becoming only the 3rd man in history to break 2 hours and 2 minutes and setting the then 4th quickest time ever. Kiptum followed it up 4 months later with the 2nd fastest marathon in history at 2 hours, 1 minute, 25 seconds, 16 seconds outside the world record at the 2022 London Marathon. In his next race, the 2023 Chicago Marathon, 6 months later in October 2023, the 23-year-old broke the world record. In October 2023, the 23-year-old broke the world record by 34 seconds with a time of 2 hours and 35 seconds. He was to beat the record that has been held for a very long time by Eliud Kipchoge of running the No Human is Unlimited race of under 2 hours. So Kiptum, remember, he was just 24 years old. Very young, very, very young. Kelvin Kiptum was born on 2nd October. And now we are speaking about his early life. He grew up in Chepsamo village, Cheruyot, the high altitude area in Peak Square, Elgeyo Marakwet County of Kenya's Rift Valley. It is located some 30 kilometers east of Eldoret, on the southeastern border of the Kaptagat Forest and just near the edge of the Meridona Elgeyo Keyo escarpment to the east. which rapidly gives way to the lower Cheruyot Valley, 800 to 1200 meters. Together with nearby counties of Kenya, the region is known as the birthplace of many renowned Kenyan runners and also a mecca for foreign runners. As a young boy, he added his family's schedule and began following other barefoot runners along the forest trails. Kiptum started training around 2013 when he was 13 years old. In 2013, at the age of 13, Kiptum participated in his first half marathon, the family Bank Eldoret half marathon in his native Kenya. Finishing 10th, he placed 12th the following year. In 2018, the teenager took his first victory, winning his race with the time of 62 minutes. He was self-coached at the time. Kiptum then debuted on the international stage at the Lisbon Half Marathon in Portugal in March 2019, finishing fifth with a new personal best of 59 minutes. Now, he participated also in 6 other races that year, touring the Northern West Europe and winning the Tough Cash Half Marathon back home in November. It was reported that in 2020, Kiptum started working with Rwandan 3,000 meter steeplechase record holder Gavis Akizamana as a coach, who also died together with him. Kiptum supposedly had periodically trained alongside other youths with him since 2013. Since about 2020, he was already preparing for the marathon. In December that year, the 21-year-old set a significant personal best in the Spanish Valencia Marathon at 58 minutes 42 seconds, placing 6th in 2021. He ran 59, 35, and 59:02 half marathons in Lens, France, placing first, and Valencia again, placing 8th respectively. Third man ever to break the 2 hour 2 minutes in the marathon. In December, 23-year-old Kelvin Kiptum pulled off an upset when debuting in the classic 42-kilometer marathon distance of the Valencia Marathon, running with the fastest time ever of 2 hours 1 minute 53 seconds, becoming the third man in history to break 2 hours and 2 minutes. Only his compatriot and then world record holder Eliud Kipchoge and Ethiopia's Kenenisa Bekele had run faster up to that point. Kiptum set the quickest second half in marathon history with a time of 60 minutes 15 seconds, including 14 from 35 to 35 km. Now, his winning time was by far the fastest marathon debut in history, smashing the course record by over a minute. He also beat the run-up by more than a minute and the 2022 World Marathon champion Tamirat Tola pre-race favorite. Kiptum remains to be alleged. He was married to Asena Rotich and they had 2 children. At the age of 24, at least he has a family that has been left behind. For now, all we can say is that Kiptum has left, but his grace and glory will continue being sung among Kenyans, for he has done Kenya proud, not once, but several times. Raila Odinga is among the many Kenyans that have joined the race of mourning the loss of these guys. Raila says devastating news as we mourn the loss of a remarkable individual, Kelvin Kiptum, world record holder and Kenyan athletics icon. Together with his coach, they tragically passed on in an accident tonight. My deepest condolences to his loved ones, friends, and the entire athletic fraternity. Our nation grieves the profound loss of a true hero just at the age of 24 years. President William Ruto, looking at him whether he has mourned the loss of this legend that has left us. Ruto says Kelvin Kiptum was a star, arguably one of the world's finest sportsmen who brought barriers to secure a marathon record. He was only 24 years yet. As a hero, trumped in Valencia, Chicago, London, and in other top competitions, his mental strength and discipline was unmatched. Kiptum was our future. An extraordinary sportsman has left, an extraordinary mark in the globe. Our thoughts are with the family and the sporting fraternity. Rest in peace, Kiptum. A lot of people have mourned Kiptum as a legend. We, as the FM family, say, may this young champ rest in eternity.